Please tell me your name.
Sir, my name is Prabhu Prasad Panda.
Okay, and your roll number for this exam?
Sir, my roll number is 312798.
Okay. Give me a formal introduction.
Sir, my name is Prabhu Prasad Panda. I am from Kendrapada. Sir, I was working with a company since 2000 in the logistics sector in Gati KW in 2016 to 2017, almost 1.5 years, sir. And I did my post-graduation in the operations and marketing stream. I did my BTech in electronics and telecommunication engineering. I did my plus 2 science from Kendrapada Autonomous College, Kendrapada, and I did my HSC in or matriculation in the Baby Model High School, Dohali. Right now I am preparing for civil services and appearing the interview.
अच्छा एटा जो आपण कहले ना एगुडा किछि एटा कह दरकार कारण सेटा समान देखुछन ठीक अछि आपण कहिबे कोन तार पांचटी जिंस कहबार थाए स्टार्टिंग विथ योर नेम ओके नेम टा कहबार नाही से माने मना कर देबे ना कहबेनी डोमिसाइल भी मना करछन देबे माने को जिल्ला रो राष्ट्र कहबा भी मना करछन तो सेटा ठीक रे सुनिबे जो जेतर से डिब्रीफिंग देबे प्रथमे सेटा ठीक फर्स्ट सुनिबे नंबर 1 सेकंड हला कि आपण को मेनली आरंभ करार अच्छी हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन ओके आई एम ए पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इन दिस ओके इन दिस ईयर सेट आपन करे फर्स्ट नंबर 1 सेकंड हला आपन करंट स्टेटस करंटली आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग करंटली आई एम वर्किंग इन दिस कैपेसिटी इन दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेट थर्ड हला आपन कर हॉबीज माय हॉबीज आर हियर एंड आवर फोर्थ हला अचीवमेंट्स अगेन कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू academic achievements, research achievements, then social achievements, and also your personal, professional achievements. Professional achievements कौन ना जोड़ा कि like अपन जो job करते हैं तो best employee अपन को मिलता है कौन से जोड़ा ठीक है okay
Sir, only highest qualification
highest qualification कौन थी कहीं कि ना if you are a PhD, obviously it's known that you have done your MSc and all.
Sure, sir.
Tenu सेटा खाली highest qualification ना introduction 1 minute रे सर जाता इंजीनियरिंग में 5 मिनट है and they will cut you short introduction 90% पिला को पच्चरा ही नहीं होते हैं मे बी सेना पच्चरी में नहीं
sir
they have this they will start questioning okay so you did your Dhaneshwar Rath सेटा ताको भी सेटा पच्चर देंगे तो बहुत जगह से इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ पे बेव ट्राई
पच्चरना
हां ग्रुप ए लेवल रो दैट इज पच्चरना
सर
ओके सो they can start with okay you are with the logistic company Gati okay so why did you leave okay 8 everyone so okay right fine so without telling me the year of birth your date of birth is 11th May
sir
okay fine so tell me the importance of 11th May like what important happenings happened on this day or how it is celebrated etc
sir in the global point of view or international point of view 11th May is celebrated as International Technology Day right to infuse the idea of technology to the younger generation of the people to keep it with us. We are also celebrating and sir in the India point of view the Pokhran 2 test was held on 11th May 1998 in Rajasthan sir which was a spectacular achievement of the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
There was a code name given to the
yes sir yes sir who is first one or second one
both you can tell me
sir Laughing Buddha was the Pokhran 1 test the nuclear test code name and sir mission
Laughing Buddha Smiling Buddha
sorry Smiling Buddha sir sorry sir sir I'm extremely sorry it is Smiling Buddha was the code name of the Pokhran test 1 nuclear test 1 and sir it is Shakti in the Pokhran 2
okay and who were the respective prime ministers during those days
sir in the Pokhran 1 Srimati Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India and in the Pokhran 2 Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister of India.
Okay, fine. So your home district is Kendrapada?
Sir, Kendrapada.
So tell me something about Kendrapada, from where the name has been derived and some important facts about your
Sir.
district you can give.
Sir. Sir, actually, Kendrapada was a part of Cuttack. In 1993, it was carved out from the Cuttack and become a new district. Sir, if you go to the name, actually there was a demon whose name was Kandarasura, right? And Lord Baladevaji, the presiding deity of Kendrapada, he killed this demon Kandarasura and married to his sister, that daughter, that is Tulasi. That's why from Kandarasura the name is Kendrapada, it belongs, and from Tulasi it is known as Tulasi Khetra. And sir, if we will come to the geography of the state, sir, it is situated in the 20° I have forgotten actually the latitude and longitude, and it has one subdivision, and it has 9 blocks, 9 tahsils, and etc. And the main tourist spots are the Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary, which is the most prominent part of the glory of the India as well as in the world also. Sir, it is the nesting ground of the olive ridley turtles, and sorry, the Gahiramata, which is very close to Bhitarkanika Sanctuary. And sir, it is also very famous for the mangrove forest, which are seen in the great patches over there. And sir, the other places like Sri Baladevaji temple, and sir, the Huttikala is in the Jambu, in the Kendrapada, in the Marsakai area, sorry, in the Mahakalapada block. Jambu is very in Jambu, Huttikala is a very famous place which was started during the British period. And sir, Kendrapada has 2 municipalities. One is Kendrapada municipality, one is Pottamade municipality. And the main fact is, sir, Kendrapada municipality was the first municipality of India. It was established in 1839.
Okay.
And sir, recently from Bhadrak to Kendrapada, okay, in the Dhamara river, the Ropax jetty service has been initiated, which will be economically very much significant, as well as it will also reduce the travelling time from 6 hours to 1 hour. And many festivals like Dola Purnima and the famous Olokana Melon, which is in Kendrapada, which has the historical significance. Sir, other like Ramanabami, Akshaya Tritiya, they are most prominent and most important was Ratha Jatra. Ratha Jatra, which is in the Siddha Baladevaji temple, and it is the highest the chariot in the world, which is in the car festival of Lord Baladevaji. Both the 3 deities, Jagannatha, Balabhadraji and Subhadra, they reside in that Ratha, and it is the world famous, very world famous Ratha.
It is even higher than the Puri Ratha?
Yes sir, in the world, even in the Puri. It was a single chariot. In the Puri it is 3 chariots are there. It is single chariot, but it is the highest in the height.
Okay. So, right. You have done your post-graduation in management, right?
Sir.
MBA you have done?
Sir. Sir, it is PGDM.
PGDM, huh?
Sir, sir.
Okay. So, what is the reason that there has been almost 30% decline in 10th and 12th marks? Any specific reason you want to give?
Sir, actually in the 10th standard, I was just a mediocre student, but I secured 80% mark. This was also one of my achievement, and I think. But what happened when I entered to the +2 level in my Kendrapada college, I found the teaching medium has already changed. Means it is shifted from Odia to English directly. So it took me around 6 months to understand about the subject. Sir, what was taught in the science in the 6th or 7th or 8th standard, it was a Twarana. But when I entered to that, it is total acceleration. So this type of problem has happened with me. So, and also I didn't concentrate properly in my studies. So that leads to the reduction or significant reduction of my marks in my +2, sir.
Okay. So, You work for 1 year, more than 1 year.
Sir, sir.
Around 18 months almost.
Yes, sir.
Uh, why did you leave Gatti? That is a big logistics company.
Sir, I got a very good platform at Gatti, but my work was somewhat monotonous, and I didn't. My intention was to serve a large number of people, to the ground level people. Although I made some customers, some doing their works, but I didn't intrinsic satisfaction. I didn't get. So I think if I will go to the civil service, I will get more opportunity, wide opportunity. I will be mixing with a wide range of people, and I will able to solve their problems. So that's why I changed my job.
That's why you changed your job.
So,
Okay. Changed your job means you left the job.
Well, I left
now
the-
you're serving somewhere.
no, sir, I am not serving anywhere right now.
Okay. So your hobbies include doing farming activities.
Sir,
Farming is a hobby.
sir, actually it is
It's
not.
a source of livelihood for many people.
Sir, it is gardening type.
Gardening.
Gardening. It is gardening.
So if you are writing gardening, then specify. Okay, kitchen gardening, terrace gardening, whatever, you know. So that has to be done. So gardening.
Sir, actually gardening is my hobby also. So in my leisure time, I used to visit my agricultural field, and I also try to contribute some of my of my work in the agricultural field. So that is, I think it is also some extent it is agricultural work. So I have mentioned farming.
Doing farming activities. Okay. So that you need to be little bit careful, because they can ask how farming is a hobby. That you have to justify.
Sir,
You have
what
to-
what can be written instead of farming?
No, that you have to write. Okay, they have to equally. If you don't have a hobby, you can also leave it blank. Yes, sir. Don't, or within that time, if you can acquire knowledge about something, then you also can write.
No, no, in the similar type of hobby, matlab say gardening.
Agricultural work, if you are doing, then basically it's not farming activities. Okay. So exactly what do you do? Like what do you cultivate?
I try to plant the trees in the wastelands sometime. I am getting time, and sometimes.
So then you can be very specific, like wasteland farming. So that will be more to the point, and that will be interesting also. They'll ask you about wasteland management, okay, and how in wasteland, okay, concept of farming can be used. So that you can change to wasteland farming.
So,
Okay, they'll ask you where you have wasteland, how did you get access to wasteland. So you can say that, okay, like we have big agricultural land, and some part of that is wasteland. So other land is fertile, but that my hobbies or my intention was to experiment something, so that even in the wasteland something productive can be done.
productive can be done.
So that would be better.
So,
Okay, farming activities जगह wasteland farming अपन लिखिए, साल particular होगा. You have donated blood 10 to 14 times.
yes, sir.
That is what, on exchange or voluntarily?
Sir, voluntarily.
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 So tell me, like, what is the process of donating blood? Like, suppose you go to the donation center, then what happens? What is the process they follow? Then they have taken your blood.
Sir, first the person has to reach at the center. Then he will be getting one form in which everything is he has to mention his name, his address, his age, if possible his blood group, etc. And are many other things like the last time if there any when the last time he donated blood. Then the other things are like is there any major operation has taken place, is there any dental filling or any cesarean works has been done, So everything he has to fill it up. Then they will ask him to about his weight. They will also measure the weight. If his weight is greater than 45 kg, and then they will measure the hemoglobin level in the blood. If it is more than 14 or 12.5, so then he is eligible to donate the blood. If it is less, he is not eligible at all.
How do you justify that blood donation is an achievement? So many people do. So
sir,
why you have written it under special achievement?
Sir, it is in my point of view, if I am donating a blood to a person, a needy person, so I am saving the life. So for me it is also a noble work and a great achievement. Sir, in my point of view.
Okay. You won quiz in pricing quiz contest in 9th standard.
9th standard.
Okay, near school.
Sir.
So you are interested in quiz or not? Now
Yes, sir.
also you are interested?
Sir, to some extent I am interested too in the quiz.
Okay.
It was basically, sir, about Odisha quiz.
Okay.
So I am also, sir, somewhat interested in the quiz.
So you have done your engineering, right?
Sir.
But you have taken geography and sociology as the optionals?
Sir, I have gone through the my syllabus first. Then I have also gone through the previous year question papers. So sociology, geography and some other subjects including my engineering degree, which was electronics, but the unfortunate subject was not there. I have also checked electrical, some portions of the electrical engineering was also matching, and but I found that I didn't get in proper test series, proper guidance, proper study material for the engineering subject and also some management subjects. And so I have also gone through the previous year marks of the toppers and other who qualified this exam. So then I found it most reliable subject, the geography and sociology. So and I can revise it in a very much faster speed and many times. That's why, by considering the above points, I chose to opt for the optionals like geography and sociology.
Okay. How will these subjects help you in administration?
Sir, in my point of view, if anyone knows geography, so he can understand the climatic condition, he can understand the vegetation and everything about this territory, right? So if I become any administrator, so it will be better for me to guide the people whom I am serving, to give them proper knowledge about the somewhat agriculture and some other thing, the type of rain pattern, the MSP, everything I can give them. Sir, for sociology, so as we are all living in the society, so that's why some social issues there, some perceptions are there. So I will try to manage it through the administration process.
Why you have given Odisha Police Service as the last preference? It is a group A service.
Sir, of course it is a group A service, but I have some problem in my physique. Some hands are lean and so some problem in my legs.
So basically medical.
And my eyesight is, sir, also not matching as per the requirement of the OPSC. So far as OPS services concerned, so I find there are many better candidates than me so far as physique and other things are concerned. So, sir, considering those things, I think to take it at my last cadre option, sir.
Okay, so suppose you are selected for this service.
Sir,
okay.
Sir.
What are the posts that you might get after completing your training? In OS, suppose you get OS, what are the initial posts that you get?
Sir, I may be getting the additional Tahsildar.
That now ORS people are getting.
Sir, BDO is one option
Yes,
there.
you join
One
as
is
a TRO, a training reserve officer, then after TRO you will be, yes, BDO, Tahsildar, then others are also there.
Others are also there, sir, like
In collectorate if you are posted?
Sir, it is deputy collector.
Ah,
I think
yes.
so, sir. It is
Yes.
deputy collector.
Then suppose you are posted with the RDC, then what will be your post? Suppose you are posted in the office of the Revenue Division or Commissioner.
Sorry, sir, I don't
Under
have
Secretary to the RDC. Okay, those things also can be there. Okay, fine. So suppose you are the Tahsildar of area
Sir.
and illegal sand mining is going on. Your subordinate calls you and informs you
Sir.
that this mafia, sand mafia is taking at the night. Okay, they're taking sand illegally. What are you going to do then? Let's say it's 1:30 a.m. What are you going to do?
Sir, I will call to the IIC, which is in my circle, the IIC, and I will also IIC, and I will go with him, and I will pick that truck or whatever they are, and as per the procedure, I will do accordingly.
Okay. So, in administration,
Sir.
what are the, according to you, what are the three most important qualities that an administrative officer should have?
Sir.
And why? Why these three? So many qualities are there.
Sir.
You choose the top three according to you and
Sir.
justify why you have chosen these three.
Sir, first and foremost in administration, I think one should be very loyal to his job. One should to have to work very diligently, to love his job. Should not, and one should not get rigid very quickly. Even if he getting rigid, he should not show it in front of everyone, even if in front of his juniors and etc. And so third thing will be he has to sacrifice himself to work in round the clock for the betterment of people whom he is serving. Because sir, for work there is no time limit for an administrator. Even if at the midnight some problem is happening in that area, so being the Tahsildar or any other responsible post one is holding, so he at that instance he has to work. So every time he has to dedicate himself for the betterment of people, the area he is serving on that. I think, sir, that is the thing.
Okay. So, who is your favorite administrative officer or inspiration at the national level?
Sir, at the national level, sir, operator suddenly, I think she is an best administrator in my point of view, sir.
Right, so that will be the end of the interview. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So, आपन feedback है ला, आपन content भलो अच्छी, flow of speech भलो अच्छी, eye contact भलो अच्छी, दी तीन टा जिनसे जो आपन वीडियो रे देखिबे, गोटे ला आपन करो facial expression टा बहुत ही animated ही जो ठीक है चिता, माने कि exaggerated केवे ही जो तो एक balance, गोटे poise, गोटे balance होगा दरकार. सेटा रोहन तो सेटा गोटे जिनसे भी काम देखिया पड़े
सेटे नर्वस लागुची फास्ट एटिके भल लागिला तापर मिडिल जो मिड प्रोसेस टाइम रे
बस कि हम तो आंसर सब ठीक है दोछ
टिके नर्वस आस जाउची माने कोन कहूची ठीक की भूल माने टिके टाइप रो ये
नहीं पूरा काम रोई की कहबो जोड़ा आसीओ भल रे कहबो जोड़ा न आसीओ सेति कॉन्फिडेंस से कहबो मते आसु किछि बड़ कथा सेटा न ओके आउ गोटे जिंस देखिबे आपण मझे मझे लाइक ओके राइट एवडा रिपीट हे ठीक है एगुड़ा जनरली ताको सामने रे तले इधर आपण पढौचंती स्टूडेंट्स को ठीक अछि से तो किछ असुविधा किंतु ताको सामने से जिंस कले सेटा ओडे यू नो इट विल बी लाइक लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट ठीक अछि तो सेटा के माइंड रे रखिया अछि Okay. Otherwise, content wise and content of the answers are very good. Okay. Pen drive
सर आनी सॉरी सर आनी पर नहीं सर कल आनी तो